Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be, explaining and demonstrating you guys how how to share your internet via Bluetooth. So, guys, many of you over here would have been shared your internet only with the mobile hotspot, uh, but there are actually various ways with which you'll be able to share your internet to some other person, and the Bluetooth is just one of the mediums with which you'll be able to share your internet connection. So for example, if I'm gonna share my internet connection, what we'll be usually doing is that we'll just connect to internet via mobile data or the Wi-Fi, and then we'll be turning on the hotspot over here. So that is the usual step with which we'll be sharing our internet connection. So guys, right now in this video I'm actually sharing my internet which I obtained from my Wi-Fi via using the medium known as mobile hotspot. So guys, if you want to learn how to turn on both the Wi-Fi and the mobile hotspot, I have made a separate video and you can just go watch it out. It's definitely worth checking it out, because by default you will not be able to turn on both the Wi-Fi and the hotspot. So I'll just turn it off. But in this video, what we're going to focus is that we'll be sharing our internet connection via Bluetooth. So in order to do that, first the first step which we have to do is that we would have to turn on the Bluetooth, and after turning on the Bluetooth, what we would have to do is that we must navigate to our settings over here. So I'm gonna click on settings over here. After clicking on settings, right now guys, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy device. The steps is gonna little bit change, but I mean the interface is gonna change, but the ways which with which you'll be able to turn on the Bluetooth tethering is gonna be the same in all the Android devices. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna click on the connections over here. Right now I have a page like this, and in here I have an option known as mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, so this is the default page with which we'll be sharing our mobile hotspot along with the other tethering features. So there are I mentioned in the starting of this video, there are various ways with which we'll be able to share our internet. Okay, right now in my Samsung Galaxy device, there are 4 ways with which I'll be able to share my internet. The number one thing is that mobile hotspot. This is the thing which we're using regularly in order to share our internet. So all of you here would have been comfortable, and you guys may know how to share your internet via mobile hotspot. Okay, so but most of you folks uh, do not know the actual use of Bluetooth tethering. In few cases, you will not be able to share your internet using the mobile hotspot. All the another person would not be able to connect to the internet via the mobile hotspot. They may not have the proper sensors devices, but when they do not have the proper features and settings, the only possible way with which you'll be able to share your internet is via the Bluetooth tethering option. Okay, so the other two various features are the USB tethering and the Ethernet tethering. I'll not be demonstrating those two features in this part of the video, but if you want to learn more about those things, you can just leave it as a comment, and I can make separate videos in order to explain and demonstrate you guys about the USB tethering along with, and the Ethernet tethering. Okay, the USB tethering is going to be sharing your internet connection via the USB cable. You can just connect your, right now in this device I have a type C port. I'm gonna use the USB device to connect to the type C port along with the USB port in my laptop, and I'll be able to share my mobile data or Wi-Fi to the system. So that is the steps. The next thing is about the Ethernet tethering. Okay, so we have actually a USB Ethernet adapter. It's a device, so with which we'll be able to share our internet to the routers. They have the Ethernet cables, so we'll be able to share our net to the routers. Okay, so that is the way. I'll just not waste any much time and just go to the topic of Bluetooth tethering. In order to share our mobile data or USB via the Bluetooth medium, what I'm going to do is that we're going to turn on the Bluetooth tethering. This is actually possible in both ways. We'll be able to perform the Bluetooth tethering, that is sharing our internet connection from the mobile to the to a PC or a laptop. But there's also a way that is known as reverse Bluetooth tethering, with which you'll be able to share your internet from PC or a laptop via Bluetooth to your mobile device. Okay, that feature is also available, but I will not be explaining or demonstrating you how to do it. But if we're gonna need a separate video, I could just make it out and you could just leave it in the comment section. I'll try to make a separate video on that. So after turning on the Bluetooth tethering, what we must do is that we must connect to the same Bluetooth. We're gonna have to connect this device Bluetooth along with some other device. Okay, after connecting, the thing is that after connecting will be for example, if I click this, I'm having two features, calls and audio. But for mobile devices such as uh, so for each devices the features are going to change, and if you are connecting to some other mobile device, you'd have a feature to turn on the internet, and all you have to do is that you must click on the settings over here, and in here you would have an feature known as internet over here, and all you have to do is to turn on the internet, and you'll be sharing your internet via Bluetooth to the other person. Now the internet is not being shared over the mobile hotspot, but your internet is being shared over to the other person using the Bluetooth. These the main drawback in this is that the speed may not be the internet which is being shared through the Bluetooth may not be as fast as the internet which is shared via the hotspot, but it's still going to be helpful in cases where you cannot where you cannot connect to your mobile hotspot, and but you need internet somehow. So this is going to be a way with which you can share your internet connection. And guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you watched this video and it was helpful to you, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. Once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Bye.